On everybody on YouTube, this is Varieties and we back again for the Kyocera Hydro Wave a new challenge. It's gonna be this time it's gonna be with Coca Cola. Also, I'm gonna mix it with the milk actually, as you guys can see. So we're gonna put the Coca Cola plus the milk, and we're gonna put the phone in a pocket, and we're gonna see how this phone is gonna handle, since the company just claimed it's a waterproof, so you shouldn't use any other kind of liquids. That we're going to test that phone in order to see if this is gonna survive or not. So in order to know, so let's gonna find out together, guys, if this guy gonna survive or not. Before we start the challenge, I want to just show you guys this phone is a legit. It's a Hydro Wave, has no any problems actually. I have tested this phone in the water in two videos actually, and that phone survived with no problems. Now we're just gonna go ahead and put this one inside. Also, that's gonna make that test to be more extreme, which is, guys, we're gonna know if this phone will survive in other kind of liquids. Like if we're gonna use Coke, which is we have right here, it's still not open. We're just going to go ahead and open it, and also we're gonna mix this one with milk. I mean, actually I don't know what's gonna happen, but let's gonna go ahead and put the Coca Cola first in this phone. We're not gonna leave the phone for like a while. We're just gonna keep it for a couple of minutes in order to see how the phone's gonna act against these kind of liquids. Okay, so we're just gonna go ahead, also put some milk. Just kind of weird. I don't know what's gonna happen. That should be enough actually. So now the phone is gonna be inside. Just made a mess over here. So the phone is still inside. We're gonna keep the phone inside in order to see. It's got a lot of fan here, so this fountain actually start rising up a little bit. We're gonna just mix the phone and see it's something bubbling here, which is maybe because this is an interaction between the Coca-Cola and the milk, maybe, or if this is gonna kill the phone or not. So I have no idea. Well, we're gonna see, because actually you may dunk your phone in the kind of liquids. You know, sometimes you spill coffee into your phone, or like a Coca-Cola or canned drink in your phone. So not necessary to be a water. So we're gonna find out if this can like help actually. As you guys can see, the phone. This is the phone actually. It's still, the screen is still on. We're just gonna leave it for a little bit and see if the phone's gonna survive or not. That would be great to know if something gonna happen. It's look like a cacao or like a Starbucks coffee with these mixtures. I don't know how taste is gonna be, and I believe it's gonna be taste weird. That's like soda and milk, which is kind of interesting, but I'm not gonna try it. Just gonna keep that phone trying and see eventually if that phone gonna survive or not. I'm very excited actually about it, so I'm just gonna go ahead. So also please, so guys, don't use Coca-Cola and milk, and don't put your phone inside, because this is gonna let you lose your warranty if something happened. And this phone also, like he claimed by the company, it's waterproof. So it's certified Peace 57 certified, and military certified actually against the water and dust. So it's not other kind of liquids, as you guys can see. I was just gonna look on the phone and see the phone still actually working. So the screen is not on. It's been in that mix about 2 minutes now, or a little bit more, but actually I just want to see what is gonna happen. As I told you, we don't wanna because actually this is experiment just to know whether that phone's gonna survive if spill some liquids, drink on it or not. But you're not gonna do this in purpose, but would like to see how the phone's gonna handle actually. So there's no sense to keep the phone for like a while, you know. And even in the water, the company says don't use the phone more than 30 minutes and the depth about at 3 feet or 1 meter actually. But that's gonna be crazy if you just keep the phone inside, because means that you want to kill your phone. So we don't want to kill the phone, we just want to actually discover either that phone will be surviving, and actually we want to see how the company is reliable when they say this is like a phone which is against dust, against water and stuff like that. I know it's not against Coca Cola and other stuff, but it's cool to know, and we actually sacrificed that phone for the science in order to know if this phone gonna survive or not. I believe it's been more than 3 minutes inside this weird mix here. Let me try to take that phone out of that mixtures and see if there's any sign for my hand's gonna be sticky, so I'm just trying not to make a mess in the room here. Actually, I'm gonna just wipe it, clean it very well at least. The touch is still working, I believe. Okay, so actually it's not too much clean. Unfortunately, system, it just showed me a message, system UI has stopped, and there you go. Just playing the phone for a little bit. The screen's kind of still wet, but the phone seems to me working just fine with no any problem actually. Just gonna go ahead and try to see if you can play YouTube or something in order to test if that speaker got messed up or not. Go ahead and do music, any type of music. Finds everything's work. Kind of, it's not as it should be. Kind of a little bit low, but the music it's playing right now. Maybe because I have to take the back and wipe the phone. But seems to me the phone is surviving. So that phone actually day by day it's improved itself as a durable, actually very durable phone against all kind of liquids and stuff like that. Because this is actually very heavy mixtures here. I mean, you can tell it's not like the water doesn't do much for the phone, but the phone seems to me actually working just fine with no problems. And I wish you guys enjoy that video, and also you can subscribe for more videos and more challenges, and also let me know what else you would want to see doing tests for this phone, if this phone survived. So I'm gonna let you know if this phone survived after this video or not, but make sure to leave a comment to tell me what you would like to see after this video. So I'm ready to make any extreme test or anything weird. That's fine, just let me know and I will try to do that. For now, that's it. Thank you so much for watching. As always guys, I will see you in the next one.